How to change filing status on TaxAct. Sign in to your TaxAct account and open the tax return you are working on. Go to the Federal section from the main menu of your return. Open the Basic Information area in the Federal Interview section. Find the part that shows your current filing status. Choose the option to edit or change the filing status. Look at the list of available filing statuses shown by the program. Select the filing status that matches your current situation. Continue to the next screen after selecting the new status. Answer any additional questions related to the new filing status. Update details about your spouse. If the status requires spouse information, add or confirm dependent information if needed for the selected status. Continue through the remaining basic information screens. Review the summary page to make sure the new filing status is correct. Save the return and continue completing or filing your tax return. Thank you for watching.